Welcome to Starboard, the future of smart lighting. At Starboard, we are proud to be a leading manufacturer of cutting-edge motion sensor lights in India. As the world moves towards smarter solutions, our motion sensor lights are designed to lead the way in energy-efficient lighting that's perfect for every space, from homes to large commercial establishments. Here's why our motion sensor panel lights are the ultimate choice for modern living. Motion sensor auto dimming panel lights. Imagine a space where the lights automatically adjust itself to your needs. When no movement is detected, these lights dim from 100% to 20%, ensuring energy is saved without compromising the illumination. They create a seamless, hassle-free experience, perfect for parking areas, staircases, lift lobbies, hallways, and passages. Motion sensor auto on and off panel lights. Say goodbye to wasted electricity. These lights turn off completely when no movement is detected, drastically reducing energy consumption by up to 90%. No more forgotten lights left on. Just efficient and intelligent lighting. Perfect for bathrooms, storerooms, kitchen and canteen, terrace and balcony, offices and working areas, puja rooms and more. High performance 6G sensors with a detection range up to 15 meters, that is 50 feet. Our sensors are not only incredibly sensitive but also ensure that the light is activated precisely when needed. Customizable time delay. Choose from 30 seconds, 60 seconds and 180 seconds delay time depending on your needs. Durability and long life. With our advanced technology, these lights provide consistent brightness over time and come with a 2-year warranty. Energy efficient. With high lumen LEDs, 1 watt is equal to 120 lumen. Our lights ensure bright, clear illumination while consuming minimal power, contributing to a greener future by reducing carbon emissions. Why choose Starboard's motion sensor lights? Wide range of options. Whether you need surface or concealed fitting, round or square shapes, or specific wattages, we have it all. Choose from sizes like 4 inches 7 watt, 5 inches 9 watt and 12 watt, 6 inches 12 watt and 15 watt, 8 inches 18 watt and 22 watt, 2x2 panel which is 40 watt and 50 watt. Starboard, a smart choice for every space. Our motion sensor lights aren't just for homes, they are the perfect fit for housing societies and builders, commercial establishments and offices, factories and schools, hospitals, hotels and resorts, malls, colleges and more. From reducing energy costs to enhancing safety and convenience, Starboard motion sensor lights provide a smart, sustainable solution for every environment. Save energy, reduce cost and contribute to a greener future with Starboard's motion sensor lights.